Are you tired of slow internet? If you are on Windows, your ISP is secretly throttling your speed and collecting your browsing data. The fix is simple. Detach your ISP's DNS server and switch to a faster private public one. Let's do it right now. It takes 30 seconds on Windows. In search, type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. In View By, make sure category is selected. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Change Adapter Settings. Right click on your network adapter and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on Properties. Obtain an IP address automatically is selected and it's okay. You just change obtain DNS server IP address automatically and you will select use the following DNS server IP addresses and in preferred DNS server type Cloudflare private public DNS server IP address that is 1.1.1.1 and in alternative DNS type another Cloudflare DNS server IP address 1.0.0.1. That's it. Now click on OK and then click on close. Close network connection wizard and click on close again. You might need to quickly restart your browser. 1.1.1 is faster, more reliable, and private. If you want maximum security, use Quad 9 instead. That's 9.9.9.9. Though it blocks malicious sites. You just got a permanent speed upgrade. Test it yourself. Tell me in the comments which DNS you choose. Hit like if this worked for you and subscribe for more 60-second tech tips.